Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Fairy Tale Journey Tarot. This is created and published by Taroteca Studios. Thank you so much for sending this my way. This retails for $59 in the US, and everywhere that you can purchase this legitimately will be linked in the description box below. How cool is this packaging? Oh my gosh. There are a couple different versions of this deck. This one has black edges, but there's also one with gold edges, and there's also a larger size deck. I believe that one retails for $89. But again, you can check them all out with the links below. We dreamed of creating a tarot deck that you will love for its incredible atmosphere, its surreal fairy tale world, and its beautiful, colorful illustrations, which will also be very intuitive to interpret. We hope you will find all of this in the Fairy Tale Journey Tarot deck. So this is the standard version, 120 by 74 millimeters, silk laminated matte paper, black edges. The graphic artist, and forgive me if I mispronounce your name, Katarzyna Wojcik. Hopefully I pronounced that correctly. I'm so sorry if I did not. So I am excited. This looks so fun. Oh my gosh. Love this. I have their Dark Mansion tarot, and I absolutely love it. All right. Oh, look at that back. There is no guidebook. That matte. Let's talk cardstock. Ooh, okay, very flexible, but it's snapping back. It's sturdy. It's about a medium thickness, if that. Maybe a little bit under that. I think it's going to shuffle really well. It feels almost like that buttery, velvety kind of feel. I really like that. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous back. And there's those matte black edges. And let's get into it. Number at top, title at the bottom. The art is really fun, very, bright and vibrant, lots to see. Ooh. Let me know if any of these look familiar as far as your fairy tales go. I know there's a ton of different tales across the world. Oh, cute. Ooh, little ghosties. We have a black and white one. I love that. Oh, look who's peeking out over there. Cute. I really like this art style. Ooh. That's a neat take. Stunning. I like the play of light and dark on the art. so fun. Wonderful. Okay. Now we're in the Minor Arcana, Wands. Love that. Okay. Cups. Ooh. That's interesting. I love that the knights have different creatures that they're on. All right, swords. I have to say the quality of these cards feels so nice. Love the art style. There's this play of like a little bit of creepy, a little bit of scary, as well as like fantastical, art that you would see in fairy tales. It reminds me a lot of how the Grimm's fairy tales were very dark and twisted, and then, they were remade into something, lighter. Ooh. And pentacles. Oh, I love the color choices here. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Oh yeah. Nice. Okay, I like it. Very flexible, but it's snapping back. It has that resistance to it that I like. Let's see overhand. Yeah. All right. Can I get a card for an example, please? All right. So the King of Pentacles there. So there is no guidebook, but I think any tarot reference book will do it justice. So if you have something already that you use, you can totally use that for definitions if you still need help with the meanings of the cards. I think that intuitively their symbolism is on point. Things are definitely there that should be there. I love that the color themes stay with each suit. So that was very cool to see, where it's not just a continuous one scene in the background or one color. You still have the element there and the vibe is still there. So it's cohesive. I really like how the art was done. There's a lot here in each card to look at. So overall, I think it's a beautifully done deck. I think for an independent tarot studio to come up with this is just wonderful and beautiful. And the price point is not bad for a deck. At least in my situation, it's made in a different country independently, and the quality is just so well done. Plus the packaging, oh my gosh, like having that on your bookshelf, so cool. And it just goes with the theme of it being a fairy tale. Do I know what each of these fairy tales are? No, I don't know if they're specifically based on any one in general, or if the theme was supposed to just overall feel like a fairy tale. I'll double check, and checking out their whole page, because they have a bunch of different tarot decks to choose from and to check out. This is their Dark Mansion Tarot from 2020, I think. This is the 4th edition. Yeah, 2020. And this one did not come with a guidebook either. So if you're wanting something that is of a uniqueness and something that you're not going to find in a mass production deck, definitely check out Taroteca. They have a lot of creative, fun, different style of deck. I would love to know what your thoughts are on this. If you own the Dark Mansion or own any of the other Taroteca decks, I would love to know your thoughts. Thank you so much to Taroteca for sending this my way. I am excited to get to know this on a more personal level, and thank you all for hanging out with me today. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day. I love you and I like you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.